How's it going, guys? It's Vatic Vapor from the forums. I'm coming to you with a quick device review from OKC Vapes. If you guys have seen my reviews before, you'll know that I recently reviewed the Bulldog Rebuildable Atomizer. Also a very nice atomizer. Today I'm going to be reviewing the V3. Give a little comparison. Isn't that a cool looking atomizer? Very slick looking. Today I'm going to be trying this atomizer out with some OKC Vapes e-liquid called Mango Menthol. It's 11 milligram. So let me put a couple of drops in the atomizer and we'll give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's give this a try. Wow. Excellent throat hit, very good vapor production. This atomizer is just tearing it up. Wow, performs really well. Kind of does remind me of the Bulldog a little bit. Very cool. Um, the atomizer comes apart right here, right in the line, so it's very streamlined. Give you a quick look at the inside, see if you can see that. You can see the inside there. There's a little bit of wick sticking out. That's not a big deal. But it comes pre-made, and oh yeah, baby. Not a single hot spot. Working awesome. Unbelievable flavor. Excellent throat hit. It's just you can't compare it unless you've tried a rebuildable atomizer before. Um, the OKC Vapes V3, thumbs up in my book. The Mango Menthol e-liquid from OKC Vapes, also not bad at all. I'm actually enjoying it. Give it another quick puff. I'm really going to enjoy this, guys. Vatic Vapor from Vatic's Vapor Room, Vapors Forum, New Vapor. Keep on vaping. The V3 from OKC Vapes. Have a good one, guys.